everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are here at a river construction site where we can see a lot of excavators in action. They're working along the banks, on the river, or even below the water level. Actually, they're working to widen the river to protect the city from flooding. So each machine is working to make the river safer and stronger. Now let's take a closer look at what's happening here. First, a few excavators will dig a trench a few meters away from the river to prepare for widening it. Next, they'll drive piles into the trench to secure the riverbank and prevent it from collapsing, which will let water flow back into the trench. After that, they will pour concrete into the trench to form a solid bank. Finally, the excavators will remove the mud from inside the bank to the outside. Once this is done, the river will be wider and better able to prevent flooding, keeping the city safe. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.